Hi guys, so the first session will be taken up by someone called as Kamlakar, Kamsani, and so as you know that this would be brainstorming sessions where we will be concentrating on more of understanding about a particular technology. We'll pick up a technology, try to know under we'll try to know the internals of the technology, and then it will better help you in understanding any of the particular services, how you exactly use and what exactly happens when you do certain activities. Like if you just go ahead and create a simple service on Azure, what exactly happens beneath, you need to know, right? So that clarity will be given in this particular series of playlists. So let me introduce Kamlakar. So Kamlakar right now is working with JDS Software, and he is an ex-Microsoft employee. He worked as a cloud migration specialist, and he was a technical solution engineer, and he worked together with me as a support engineer for a few time, and then he worked also with Xerox and Vios India earlier. So his experience mostly comes on the migration on Azure Site Recovery. He had a lot of customers, enterprise customers, in migrating their workload from on-premise to Azure. Sometimes from Hyper-V, from VMware workloads to Azure. Okay, so we will be just starting with one specific session, like moving your Windows workload from your on-premise or Windows or Linux workloads from your on-premise to Azure. So what exactly happens and what are the internals? More it will be will be taught by Kamlakar. Thank you. Let's tune in.